This is a demonstration of the PIC24 frequency response tool. It only does magnitude, but it does a pretty good job with that. So right now I've got it hooked up to a second order bandpass filter, and we will press the button and start the measurement. The white line is the 3 decibel line. Next we will hook up the next filter. This is going to be a first order low pass with an inductor and a resistor. And we'll plot this one too. So how this works is this PIC up here is essentially acting as a function generator. We then have a digital to analog converter right there, putting out a sine wave. The sine wave only goes from 0 to 7 kilohertz, more as a relic of what we're able to accomplish with the PIC. So not very high bandwidth, but you see we're still able to get some pretty good curves, even though it's only up to 7 kilohertz. We then have a super diode right here to rectify the signal. And then we have a buffer just on the output of the analog part, which then goes through the filter, and then we send it over to the second PIC to take the measurement, and then we store that data in an array, and then we output it to the screen. So I'll reset it and we'll do the last filter. So this last filter right here is a, let's see, it looks like I flipped that around in the earlier demonstration, but this should work just fine. Previously it was a high pass filter. The capacitor and the resistor were swapped in position, but this will do just fine. So now it's a low pass filter, of course. And to show what I mean by that, I'll just do one last thing. Let's see, so here we got the resistor, here we got the capacitor. Literally just swap them. And let's see. A little bit jank, but we're good. And then this is the same filter, just with the resistor and capacitor swapped, right? So now it's high pass. And that is the demo.